often back ordered, and that could hold up a project. So we were really lucky to get it, and this is moving on time. Back in here are the dressing rooms and bathrooms. There's a green room, and then there's a little hallway.
It's a much larger space, so we'll be able to do a lot more sets in there. Much better lighting, much better sound. Everything was going to be more of everything, so there's no doubt that we'll be able to do better stuff in there.
There is where Music at Menlo is going to have its offices, so all up on the second floor. You see the aluminum looking sheets here, that'll start covering and create the deck. And that's going to take about a month.
Whenever you're doing any kind of project, things sometimes shift because of the realities that you run into, but nothing, the plan that we've set out is pretty much what we're doing.
So you can still see all the rebar, so they had to put this almost like spider web of rebar all around, and then they poured the concrete into that, and they'll do that one more time for the upper levels.
It's a wonderful opportunity that we have to have this state-of-the-art theater in the center of our campus, and I think it's going to be quite the jewel of our campus.
When the last piece of steel goes into place, that's when they've talked, and that's still a ways away. Rain can really delay a project, and we're keeping our fingers crossed.
Everything is on schedule, happy to report. So we should have an opening next fall.